Hello friends. Let's paint a picture. You're excited for a morning walk in your favorite park, but halfway through, your legs feel like they're made of lead, and you're already thinking about a nap. Or maybe you're at a family picnic trying to keep up with your grandkids, but you're out of breath after a few minutes of fun. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Low energy after 60 can make even the things you love, gardening, shopping, or socializing, feel like a slog. It's not just aging. It's a real challenge that can threaten your independence and joy. But here's the good news. You can recharge your energy with 5 incredible superfoods starting today. In this video, I'm sharing these science-backed, easy-to-add foods to keep you vibrant, whether you're in New York, London, or Sydney. Stick with me to the end for an inspiring recap, and let me know in the comments if you've been feeling this energy slump. This is part 2 of our Health After 60 series. Check part 1 for more tips to live your best life. Let's get energized. Superfood 1. Eggs for sustained energy. Let's start with a breakfast hero. Eggs. Here's the thing. Eggs are a powerhouse of high-quality protein and healthy fats that give you steady energy without the roller coaster of sugar crashes. One large egg packs about 6 grams of protein, plus B vitamins like B12. Which help your body turn food into energy. This means you're fueled for morning walks, errands, or playing with grandkids. Picture 2 scrambled eggs with tomatoes and spinach on whole grain toast. A 5-minute breakfast that keeps you going strong. In the US, whip up an egg and veggie scramble. In the UK, poached eggs on toast are a cozy classic. In Australia, add avocado for a nutrient boost. Keep a dozen eggs in your fridge. Boil a batch for quick snacks or toss into salads. My friend Susan, a 68-year-old from Florida, started eating eggs daily and says she now walks her dog twice as far without feeling winded. Another example, my neighbor Bob, a 71-year-old from Manchester, added eggs to his breakfast and noticed he's more energetic during his weekly bridge club. This superfood helps you stay active, whether you're gardening in Melbourne or shopping in Chicago. Try eggs 4 or 5 times a week, maybe an omelet with peppers or a hard-boiled egg as a snack. For variety, make an egg salad sandwich for lunch or add a boiled egg to a veggie bowl. Eggs are affordable, versatile, and perfect for keeping your energy steady. You'll be surprised how this simple habit makes you feel ready for anything, from a morning hike to a lively family gathering. Superfood 2. Blueberries for brain and body boost. Next up, blueberries. These little berries are like nature's energy pills, bursting with antioxidants that fight inflammation and keep your cells humming. They're also high in fiber and vitamin C, which support heart health and brain function, keeping you sharp and alert. Studies show blueberries can improve memory and mood, ideal for staying engaged during a community event or family chat. Add a handful to your morning yogurt, oatmeal, or even a pancake batter. It's a 2-minute upgrade that tastes like a treat. In the UK, stir them into porridge for a warm breakfast. In Australia, blend them into a smoothie with banana and milk. In the US, sprinkle them over cereal or waffles on toast. Keep frozen blueberries on hand. They're just as nutritious and perfect for year-round use. Take John, a 72-year-old from London, who started eating blueberries daily and says he's sharper at his weekly crossword puzzles. Or my cousin Emma, a 66-year-old from Sydney, who adds them to her yogurt and feels more energized for her coastal walks. This superfood keeps you ready for action, whether you're strolling through a market in Seattle or dancing at a family wedding. Try a half cup daily, fresh or frozen, and you'll notice clearer thinking and less fatigue. For example, toss blueberries into a salad with spinach for lunch, or enjoy them as a snack with a few almonds. Picture yourself tackling your day with focus and vitality. That's the blueberry effect. Superfood 3. Salmon for strength and stamina. Let's move to Superfood 3. Salmon. Here's why it's a must-have. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and keep your heart pumping strong, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles for lasting energy. A 4-ounce salmon fillet delivers about 25 grams of protein and vitamin D, boosting stamina and muscle health. Grill or bake a fillet for dinner, or mix canned salmon into a salad for a quick lunch. It's that easy. In Australia, grill salmon on the barbie with lemon and herbs. In the US, try a salmon burger with avocado. In the UK, poached salmon with steamed veggies is a comforting classic. My neighbor Margaret, a 65-year-old from Sydney, started eating salmon twice a week and says she now keeps up with her grandkids at the park without tiring. Similarly, my friend Carol, a 69-year-old from Boston, added salmon to her diet and feels stronger during her weekly gardening sessions. This superfood powers you through carrying groceries, walking the dog, or dancing at a family party. Aim for salmon 2 to 3 times a week. Fresh, canned, or even smoked salmon on a bagel works. For example, make a salmon and quinoa salad for a nutrient-packed meal, or try salmon patties for a quick dinner. Salmon's rich flavor and energy benefits make it a favorite for staying active and independent. If you're loving these tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ways to stay vibrant after 60. Follow me for more health hacks, and comment below, what's one activity you'd love to do with more energy, like dancing or playing with grandkids? Let's build this community together. Superfood 4, quinoa, the energy secret weapon. Here's our myth-busting moment. You might think all grains slow you down, but quinoa is a surprising energy superstar. Unlike heavy carbs, quinoa is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids, plus complex carbs for steady energy release. It's also rich in magnesium, which supports muscle function and energy production. Most people overlook quinoa, but this is the superfood you'll wish you tried sooner. A half cup of cooked quinoa offers about 4 grams of protein and fiber to keep you full and focused. Use quinoa as a base for a salad with tomatoes, cucumber, and feta, or swap it for rice in a veggie stir-fry. In the US, make a quinoa bowl with grilled chicken and avocado. In the UK, pair it with roasted root vegetables. In Australia, mix it into a seafood dish with prawns. My friend Tom, a 70-year-old from California, swapped pasta for quinoa and says he feels less sluggish after meals, with energy for his evening walks. My Aunt Helen, a 73-year-old from Brisbane, started using quinoa in salads and noticed she's more active at her weekly craft group. This keeps you energized for hobbies or family time without feeling heavy. Try quinoa 2 or 3 times a week. It cooks in 15 minutes and stores well. For example, make a quinoa and veggie breakfast bowl with a poached egg, or add it to soup for a hearty lunch. Quinoa's light, nutty flavor makes it a versatile energy booster you'll love. Superfood 5, spinach for all-day strength. Superfood 5 is spinach, a true energy champion. Spinach is packed with iron, which helps oxygen reach your muscles, fighting off that tired feeling. It also contains magnesium and B vitamins for energy production, keeping you alert. A cup of cooked spinach or 2 cups raw in a salad delivers a nutrient-packed punch without calories overload. Toss it into smoothies, soups, omelets, or even pasta. It's incredibly easy to add. In the UK, stir spinach into a hearty vegetable soup. In Australia, toss it into a salad with grilled chicken. In the US, blend it into a green smoothie with berries. My cousin Linda, a 67-year-old from Melbourne, started adding spinach to her meals daily and says she has more stamina for her evening walks with friends. My friend Sarah, a 71-year-old from Leeds, adds spinach to her morning eggs and feels more energized for her book club meetings. This superfood keeps you going for gardening, social outings, or chasing grandkids. Aim for a serving daily. Fresh, frozen, or canned spinach all work. For example, try a spinach and mushroom frittata for breakfast, or add it to a wrap for lunch. Picture powering through your day with strength and enthusiasm. That's spinach's magic at work. Here's a bonus tip to supercharge your energy. Stay hydrated. Your body needs water to process these superfoods into energy, and even mild dehydration can zap your vitality. Aim for 8 to 10 cups a day, more if you're active or in warm climates like Florida or Queensland. Keep a water bottle on your kitchen counter or in your bag, and add a slice of lemon, cucumber, or mint for flavor. In the UK, sip water with your afternoon tea. In the US, keep it handy during walks. In Australia, drink with your morning coffee. My friend Anne, a 74-year-old from Chicago, started carrying a water bottle everywhere and says she feels less tired during her gardening sessions. Another example is my neighbor Mike, a 66-year-old from Perth, who added a daily hydration habit and noticed he's more alert during his golf games. Hydration keeps you sharp for errands, family time, or hobbies. Start with a glass before each meal and one mid-morning. It's an easy habit. This simple step boosts the energy you get from these superfoods, making you feel unstoppable. One more bonus tip: eat small, frequent meals. Big meals can leave you sleepy, but smaller portions every 3 to 4 hours keep your energy consistent by stabilizing blood sugar. Think Greek yogurt with blueberries and a sprinkle of nuts mid-morning, a salmon and quinoa salad for lunch, and a handful of almonds for a snack. In the US, try a small turkey wrap with veggies. In the UK, a scone with fruit and cream cheese. In Australia, veggie sticks with hummus. My neighbor Paul, a 69-year-old from Bristol, switched to smaller meals and says he now enjoys his evening chess matches without dozing off. My friend Jane, a 64-year-old from Texas, started eating 5 small meals a day and feels more energized for her weekly dance classes. This keeps you fueled for walks, hobbies, or family gatherings without energy dips. Plan 3 meals and 3 snacks daily. Keep it simple with prepped items like fruit or yogurt. You'll feel lighter and ready to seize every moment. All right, friends, let's bring it all together. These 5 superfoods, eggs, blueberries, salmon, quinoa, and spinach, plus hydration and small, frequent meals, can transform your energy after 60. They're about staying vibrant for grandkid playtime, market strolls, gardening, or whatever brings you joy. Start with one superfood, like eggs for breakfast, a blueberry smoothie, or a spinach salad. Imagine keeping up with your grandkids, dancing at a family event, or enjoying a long walk without feeling drained. These foods make it possible. Next week, we're sharing 3 secrets for better sleep after 65. Don't miss it. This is part 2 of our Health After 60 series. Check part 1 for more tips to thrive. Consult your doctor before making dietary changes. Drop a comment. Which superfood are you excited to try first? And what do you want more energy for? Hit that like button, subscribe, and follow me for more health tips to live your best life. Thanks for watching. Here's to a more energized, vibrant you.